guys, back to my channel. I am going to do a very small baby haul that I mentioned in my last video. So if you didn't go watch that, you better go watch that before you watch this, so you can just hear my recap and then come back here, watch this, like, comment, and subscribe. You know, do your thing here. But yeah, we're gonna hurry up and get right into it. Hopefully this video isn't as long as the last one, but if it is, I'm sorry. Bear with me. So I already bought my diaper bag, and you guys, let me just tell you one thing. I am super duper excited of the quality of this bag because I was super nervous. Like, you don't even understand how nervous I was. I was like, I'm paying $36 for a diaper bag. Like, every person I have watched on YouTube, their diaper bags have been $60, $70, $80, $100, $200. And I know, like, people are like, damn, like, it's that much money? Like, it's crazy. And I actually ended up purchasing this. So I purchased this diaper bag on Amazon from a company called UpSimples. Yeah, it's called UpSimples. On Amazon it was $28.51. I want to be exact. After taxes and stuff it was $36. So after taxes it was like 30 something. Then, excuse me, plus the shipping, it became $36 and a few odd cents. And I was so nervous waiting for this bag. It actually came in 2 days. And the reason why I was nervous is because I'm like, dang, if it's a cheap bag, I'm about to have a baby. Like, I don't want a cheap, like, flimsy little diaper bag, because babies, you know, you gonna be lugging this thing around. Crazy enough, I'm gonna compare this to my North Face backpack that I paid $75 for in college, and that backpack is still great. Like, I haven't used it, but it's still great. And the quality of this bag, I got a gender neutral bag. Hopefully, I'm hoping that this bag does keep up for a very long time. But yeah, I'm not gonna do a full review on this. I'm gonna actually do this in a separate video. But here is the bag, and I love the little design of it. It's a backpack. It has the stroller straps. Like, I really like this. So yeah, this was, like, I guess my 17th purchase for my baby. But yeah, so I got this. This is my diaper bag. So I got that. So I put stuff in my shoe boxes because this stuff is so small. So yeah, I got him some little baby jeans, which were freaking $4.48 at Walmart. Like, don't sleep on Walmart's baby clothes. Like, and I was looking for some baby jeans for so long. Since he's gonna be born in March, I was like, it will be okay if, you know, he doesn't have like, you know, like cool clothes. Not cool clothes, but, you know, like clothes made for the warmer climate, because he's still going to be very little, and I live in Michigan, so it's still going to be kind of cold, rainy and stuff. So I was like, I'm just gonna try to do that, even though these are 3 to 6 months, but jeans you can wear all year round. So I got these. I got him some little sweatpants. These are 6 to 9 months. I do want to explain this. This is my small disclaimer. The reason why everything's not all newborn is because I'm nervous. I don't know how big my baby is going to be. And 2, babies grow really fast. So I wanted to be on the safe side and make sure I got multiple sizes, just to be on the safe side. And I'm really not going to do newborn shopping until probably like after Black Friday, because everything's gonna be on sale. Not everything's gonna be on sale, but a lot of stuff is gonna be on sale. So I kind of want to just shop for the bigger stuff now, and then get the newborn stuff like closer to when he's getting here, because I want a small rough estimate of maybe how big he's gonna be. So my baby just hit 1 pound, so yeah, like I don't know, I'm just ballparking right now. But yeah, so got him some pants, got him this cute little onesie called it says Tiny Rockstar on it, and this is also in 6 to 9 months. Got him some little sweatpants. I feel like these sweatpants are kind of small, so he might be able to wear these when he's like firstborn, but I don't know. And crazy enough, I got these from Carter's during their they had a doorbuster sale, and I'm so glad I had walked in there at the perfect time, because it was like, oh yeah, perfect time just for me. These were only $4, and originally they were $14, so I got these for a steal. The same with this onesie. This is for 3 months. I got this onesie for a steal as well. There it is. And I was just like, oh, this was $3 something. This was like $3.50. So I got that. I got this from Walmart for the $4.48. Like the Granimals, I think that's how you pronounce it, or Garnimals. I don't know. These are actually pretty nice. Like they feel like Carter's baby clothes. Like they're not flimsy or anything, and for the price I really do like it, because I'm gonna be a new mom and I kind of don't want to spend that much money on baby clothes, but at the same time I want to be very prepared. I got him some little I want to say this is like cargo pants. It says canvas joggers, but these are 3 to 6 months. I got him, oh, I was gonna say where they come from. I got him some onesies. And I got these onesies from Walmart, and these were on sale for like maybe $8, I want to say. But this one has the little puppy. These are also from 0 to 3 months, which they're kind of big to me, so I don't know, but this is kind of big to me for I've seen like tiny babies, so I don't know. But it has the little trucks and stuff on it, and then this one says Daddy's Newbie. So this like was one of the first things I bought, was a set of onesies. I got him some wiggle-proof, stay-on technology, comfy, secure socks, 0 to 6 months. So this is the first little box. I'm gonna just put everything in there neatly, because I just cannot stand his stuff being disorganized already. So there's that. And then in my next shoebox, this was the other things I got, and it's just 2 more items. I got him some little slip-on shoes with a little bear on them. They're so cute. These are 3 to 6 months. I got these from Carter's. These were $10. Originally they were $20. Carter's low-key is expensive. I just want to say that. But Walmart doesn't have enough variety for baby boys. Like, it's like just nothing but for girls. So that's where I'm with that. And I also got him a little Jordan outfit. Now it's a 3-piece infant set. It's from 0 to 6 months. Now I feel like this might fit him when he's first born, but I also don't want to, like, you know, do this, like say that and be wrong. But it has the 2 little booties right here. It has the hat, and then it has like the little Jordan onesie. Okay, so there's that. Here's some more stuff I got. I went to Burlington Coat Factory. Now this is a newborn onesie. So I paid $2.99 for this. Burlington got the deals. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, Burlington really has some really nice deals. I got this for $2.99. It's just what do you call it, the thermal, yeah, it's like a thermal bodysuit, which will be perfect when he's first born because babies need to regulate their body temperature, and plus it's obviously gonna still be cold outside. So I like that. I like the little aliens, those are cute. I got this from Carter's on sale. This was additional 20% off, so I only paid $11.99 for this. This is 3 months, but it looks kind of big to me. But I also don't know anything about babies because this is my first baby. But I was like, this would probably be perfect for him when he turns 3 months because it'll be like 3 months in June. So this will be pretty good. I got him a little shirt from Carter's. I got this 20% off too. So I paid $6.99 for this. This is a 3 months. Just a little t-shirt. A little long sleeve shirt. Then I got this from Carter's as well. I got this during their doorbuster sale as well. This was originally $24. I only paid 5 something for this. Was it 5 something? No. I paid $10 for this actually. Yes. And it is so cute. Even my boyfriend likes it, so I know it's cute. It has a onesie inside. It has some little jogging pants. It has the little fleece. This is fleece, by the way. And I just thought this was so cute. And I was like, oh my God. Even though when he's born, this is 3 months. So even though when he's born, he's going to be wearing penguins in like the summertime. But, you know, I don't care. And then the last thing I bought, I think I bought this recently. Yeah, I bought this recently. I got this from TJ Maxx. This was $7.99. It has the little pants. It has, I thought this was really cute because I like green, so, you know, anything green is my fave. Some nice little cute stripes with the little buttons and the little faux pocket. And it has a hat. I think this hat might be too big for him though. Because I'm like, dang, hopefully his head not that big. And it doesn't really have a, like a baby size. And it just says small, so I'm guessing this is like 3 months. Oh, it says 0 to 3 months, so that's what I'm gonna just go with. And actually, I keep forgetting stuff. I swear to God, I keep forgetting stuff. Now I'm gonna show you the outfit I originally had bought for him for his coming home outfit, which I already put in the diaper bag, but he's gonna be way too small for this. I just know it. Like, I hope he's way too small for this. But I had got this onesie. Amazon tricked me, by the way. This is like for a whole 3 to 6 month old baby. But it's so cute. But I also feel like I probably can pre-shrink it. I only paid $5 for this. But yeah, I was kind of disappointed because I was hoping it was smaller, and it's not. But hey, it's whatever. But it was super cute, so I got it, and it's green. So yeah, that's pretty much what I got for my baby so far. Next thing I'm gonna start shopping for is the real life essentials, like onesies and all that. But I am going to do another haul for you guys. And I do plan on having a baby shower. I just don't know when. I want to do it in February, but my thing I'm nervous about is, one, I live in Michigan. So if it's too much snow, I don't want no one being like, oh, I can't make it because I'm snowed in, you know? So, yeah, that's basically the end of my video. Thank you for being patient and watching and being excited with me about my pregnancy. So definitely make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thanks guys. Bye.